Hello and welcome. Kamusta kayo dito mga collective, mga mahal kong kapatid na star viewers? Welcome back and thank you sa lahat mga sumusuporta. I love you guys. And thank you. No? I do hope listening kayo sa mga reading ko dito. Sa lahat mga bumabalik, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat dito. Anyway, kamusta kayong lahat? I do hope okay kayong lahat, ano? And this reading is meant to find you. Yes, and again guys, paalala ko lang, pakilakasan na lang po ng volume dahil hindi ko po gamit ang aking microphone. Paki-bluetooth na lang po mga kapatid. And love lang po tayo dito sa aking YouTube channel. Huwag po tayong bitter and kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo resonated. Kung hindi naman para sa mga kapatid nating, iba nating nanonood dito, ano, baka resonate dito sa reading na ito o sa mga nababanggit ko. So, alamin natin, may good news sa inyo mga kapatid. Spirit guides, what is this good news about sa ating mga collective? About a good idea, ano? Okay. Wow. Bumabalik talaga ito. 10 of Wands. Main message. Yes. 7 of Swords. Good news mga kapatid dahil you are finally moving forward. Panibagong bugho. New chapter. Yes. You are receiving help from the universe. So, it's time to cheer up mga kapatid because soon makakaramdam ka ng magiging balanse. Financially stable. Makakatanggap ka ng left and right money, help from the universe, idea, support. Yes, a gift. So, good news mga kapatid. It's time to receive this gift from the universe. A gift na makapag-move on ka. A gift na there will be relocation, new job, or pagta-travel. Meron naman ditong emotionally balanced. You will be feeling balanced, enlightened, yung iba dito. So, good news dahil you deserve this. Deserve mo ito mga kapatid. Sa lahat ng mga challenges sa mundong ito, o na-encounter mo kapatid, you are finally moving forward. May nag-i-end dito. An ending of crisis. Or an ending of emotionally imbalance. So, good news. And, again guys, you need to accept, no? Tanggapin natin itong mga pagsubok. And trust the universe. Surrender. Kung ano man itong mga pagsubok na na-encounter ninyo ngayon, mga kapatid, financially unstable ka ngayon, emotionally baggage, problems, whatever it is mga kapatid, mga pagsubok, betrayal, mga cheaters, lied, pray, and move forward. Like again guys, you are receiving a message, guidance from the universe, from your spirit team, from your ancestors. Pay attention mga kapatid sa inyong mga panaginip, signs, could be through music, yung iba dito. Yes, soon or you will be. Okay, this reading is meant to find you. This will happening to you right now, starting today. God bless you mga kapatid because soon you are finally moving forward. You will be feeling success, balance, left and right help, achievement, money support, the Fool. Like again, surrender. Believe in the universe plan. Believe in yourself. See? 6 of Swords. You are being led, guided by the universe. May mga bagay na kailangan matanggal sa buhay natin. I know sometimes iba dito sa inyo, you might not understand what's the real plan. Kung ano talagang totoong plano ng universe para sa inyo. Surrender. Believe in the universe real plan. Dahil mas maganda ang plano ng universe para sa inyo. And then soon you will have this realization. Makaka-realize ka na, kaya pala hindi ako natanggap sa trabahong iyan. Dahil itong bagong natanggap kong trabaho, mas maganda pala yung offer or benefits para sa akin. Example lang ito mga kapatid ha. Like again, trust the universe plan. Dahil mas maganda ang plano ng universe para sa inyo. Yung iba sa inyo dito, you might be dealing about the dark side, ano? Yes, mga emotional imbalance, betrayal, yung iba dito, or third party. Meron kasi dito may mga issue. It could be issues sa sarili. May mga nakatago dito. Like again, you could be in a darkness at this moment. Like again guys, whatever challenges situation that you are in right now, soon, in a few more days, starting today, yung iba dito, You will be feeling enlightened. Like again, may mga bagay na tinatanggal si universe para sa inyo. Dahil ito ay para sa inyo at mas makakabuti sa inyo. I think it's best na to stop controlling the situation. Let the universe to control your situation, mga kapatid. Like again, moving forward, you are led toward the beautiful path. Minsan kasi, may mga daan na mahirap. May mga pinagdaanan ka na mahirap. But then again, guys, ito mga pinagdaanan mo ngayon, those are the challenges, ano? And it will lead you towards success. Makarealize ka na, kaya pala nangyari sa akin itong mga paghihirap na ito dahil in this situation or in the future, mas magiging matatag ka na. Dahil may mga experience ka na. Nangyari na po sa akin iyan. Yung mga bagay na iyan. At ngayon, alam ko na anong dapat kong gagawin. Like again, dapat may mga bagay na maintindihan natin, mga kapatid. And you know what I mean. Sabihin natin in a relationship, ano, hindi mo maintindihan kung bakit inalis ng universe sa inyo ito. Betrayal about friendship or relationship, co-worker, like again, partnership could be. And then later on, na-realize mo na mas gumagaan ang iyong pakiramdam ngayon dahil wala na yung mga tao sa buhay mo o sa paligid mo. Dahil tinanggal iyon ng universe. Dahil ang mga bagay na iyon, ang mga taong iyon ay hindi nakakabuti sa inyong sitwasyon. You are led towards success, a better path, a beautiful future. Soon, you will be feeling happy, stable, dahil deserve mo ito, mga kapatid. See? 6 of Cups. Loyalty. You deserve loyalty. A true friendship. Like again, guys, you could be receiving a help, no? A help from a childhood friend, or a help from the past, or a dreams from your loved ones. It could be lolo, tatay, kapatid na sumalangit na. Like again, guys, pay attention because they are giving you a new idea, tulong. Yes, meron dito sa inyo very specific. You will be receiving communication from your loved ones, from the universe, through dreams, signs. Pay attention sa mga signs, sa mga sinyales. Again, nasabi ko na yan kanina, from the beginning. You will be receiving signs, help, guidance. And follow your gut feeling. Because this gut feeling might be a sign for you to receive this guidance from the universe. Okay? So yes, yung iba dito sa inyo, you might be obsessed. Obsessed about this manifestation. Like again, guys, huwag tayong atat sa mga minamanifest natin na hindi pa natin natatanggap o hindi pa nangyari. May rason sa universe kung bakit hindi pa ito nangyari. If it's meant to be, meant to be. You just have to believe in yourself. Keep moving forward. Stop overthinking. Stop controlling. If you need to stay away from these people, kung kailangan mong lumaban, lumaban ka. Fight your battle. You can be successful without these people as well. Kasi may mga tao din na lalo ka lang papapahirapin. Or papahirapan, I'm sorry. Kung kailangan mong maglipat ng panibagong trabaho, lumipat ka. Like again, there's a new idea. New talent. Business. Kung kailangan mong mag-open ng panibagong negosyo nang wala sila, go ahead. You can build your own business. Pwede kang magtayo ng panibagong negosyo ng sarili mong sikap dahil kaya mo ito. Nakakaramdam ka, no? It's too hard to trust someone when it comes to business, ano? Kasi may mga betrayal. May mga cheater. Like again, it's best to run your business alone, by yourself. A business, work, travel, magtatrabaho ka na, mas maganda kasi magtrabaho ka rin ng wala itong mga toxic or baggage. Kung hindi ka masaya, mga kapatid, again, find your happiness. Maybe your soul is longing for something new. New idea. So, dapat mga kapatid, makinig kayo sa inyong sa inyong sarili, yung intuition ninyo, kutob ninyo. Kung hindi ka masaya ngayon sa kinaroroonan mo, then find another path. It could be a relationship. You deserve happiness. Like again, yung iba dito sa inyo, kung ano itong pinipray mo, minamanifest mo, pay attention. You will be receiving this idea or money. Kasi meron ditong soon, starting from now, whenever you watch this reading, you will be happy. It's time to receive this happiness. Kasi yung iba dito sa inyo, parang lately, puro na lang kayo iyak, nalulungkot, homesick, nasasaktan, emotional baggage, yung iba dito. Like again, guys, you will be receiving a new beginning. It's time to start something new. Panibagong bugho. Kaya mo to kahit mag-isa ka. Hindi mo kailangan yung mga tao sa paligid mo na parang pasakit lang. Kung hindi ka masaya sa katrabaho mo or sa business mo, no? It's time to have another business. Magtayo ng sariling negosyo na ikaw na lang ang magpapatakbo. Kung wala kang tiwala, siguro binitray ka na, then, panibago na naman. Change that pattern. Like again, you are being led towards success. It might be painful yung iba dito sa inyo, yung iba naman, it could be related sa relationship, work, travel, sa school, whatever it is, guys, no? Kasi meron itong moving forward. It's time to relocate. Like again, kung ano yung minamanifest mo, pinipray mo kay universe, meron ditong, the universe is giving you a new idea, support, moving forward, relocation. Yes. If this reading appears, lumabas sa iyong social media, this is meant to find you. Follow your instinct. Whatever you pray, you receive this news. Good news, yung iba dito sa inyo, financially, you will be feeling light. Makakaramdam ka ng paggaan ng pakiramdam. Stable. Emotionally stable, financially stable. It's time to move forward. Meron dito sa inyo na makakaramdam ka rin ng pag-uusad. Magiging aliwalas na rin ang iyong pakiramdam. Happiness. More good news. Chini-cheer up ka na universe. So, remove that negative thoughts, no? Yung mga past. Believe in God. Believe in their plan for you. Sa lahat ng mga pagsubok, dadaan lang yan. At maging mas matapang ka pa. And surrender. Alright? So, yes or no mga kapatid, before mag-end ang reading na ito. Alright. Magtanong ng, yes. Ask any question and the answer will be yes or no. Pause nyo muna, mag-meditate kayo, and ask any question. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, yes or no sa ating mga collective? Ready mga kapatid? Yes or no sa ating mga collective? Yes or no? Yes or no sa ating mga collective? So we have here, yes, stability. You will be receiving clarity, closure, new ideas, again, new plans. It's time to create a new plans. You deserve this, a new path. This is really good, guys. Good news talaga ito para sa inyo. Intellectual ability, victory, success, mental clarity, again, clarity, closure, moving forward, paggaan ng pakiramdam, closure, communication. You will be receiving communication, finances, good news, vision. Like again, pay attention guys sa mga psychic dito or sa mga panaginip ninyo, mga empath, clairvoyant. Yes, you will be receiving a sign, yung iba dito, sa panaginip or sa mga music or situation, environment. Pay attention guys. Like again, you are being sent, yes, the universe sending you a clarity idea. Embrace this. Affirm this. Help from the universe, victory. Yes, stability, structure, protection, authority, control, practicalities, focus, discipline, logic, or logical, practical, older man, stability, dependability, fatherhood, father figure. Like again, nasabi ko kanina, it could be a person from the past, could be lolo. Like again, meron kasi itong magme-message. It could, stability, baka mag-offer sa inyo ng new work, business, boss, yes, an offer may offer dito, no? Sa trabaho siguro, or a project. Like again, guys, mixed energy tayo dito. Number 4, 4 days, 4 hours. Yes. Iba dito sa inyo could be 6 days. 6, 4, it could be an older person, no? At the age of 64, ang taong ito mag-reach out, a message. Yes, could be relationship. Yung iba dito, LDR. Whoever this person is, may mag-communicate sa inyo. Yes, meron ditong makakatulong. It change your vibe. Yes, this person's going to reach out. May mag-offer sa inyo ng, it could be business. This person's going to offer you. Or, a situation na LDR. Like again, guys, take what's yours here. Kasi iba-iba yung sitwasyon ninyo. Love life, it could be boss ninyo. Partnership, it could be tatay ninyo mag-reach out. Yes, meron ditong tutulong sa inyo. Like again, karamihan sa inyo dito, you will be receiving help. It could be si Papa Jesus, ano? Kasi meron tayong the Emperor. Stability. Someone is going to help you. May mag-reach out sa inyo. This is a help from the universe. A prayer answered yung iba dito. Manifestation. Meron naman dito sa inyo psychically. You are receiving signs, a help from the universe. Through dreams, signs. Pay attention mga kapatid. Soon you'll be feeling light, stable, moving forward. All this battle will be gone. Tatanggalin ito ng universe para sa inyo. God bless you guys. Continue praying, believe in God, and connected, no? Continue on connected with the universe, Mother Earth. Kung kailangan nyo maglipat, maglipat ka. There will be changes sa inyo. Yes, clarity, closure, intellectual, mentality, clarity. Kung kayo ito ay problematic ngayon, emotional baggage, tatanggalin iyan ng universe. Alright? So, you might need to relax. Yung iba dito, mag-relax ka lang. Mag-meditate ka. Kung kailangan maligo, maligo ka. Do this affirmation. Affirm clarity, enlightened, protection. Kasi yan, no? Whatever you affirm, mga kapatid, ibibigay ito ng universe sa inyo. Believe in God. Believe in this moving forward. Getting through all these challenges. Makakaalis ka rin dyan. Whatever situation you are in right now. So, I love you guys. I do hope nakarasunod ka sa reading na ito. Keep moving forward. Soon, you will be feeling balance and achieving this goal. And money, support, whatever support na hiniling mo kay universe, ibibigay ito ng universe sa inyo. So, I love you and I'll see you guys on my next reading and thank you. Bye!